must be ama-artist. Milokube ukuthi bayacula banama-album. UTira ulethe abafana aba-11 abadlala ibhola imawo angikuphazamisanga.
So yonke into imile nje
abantu aba-11 or soccer players should be playing.
Right, guys, I want to know, okay, Zulu, Tira, come through. Guys, I only want the 4 people involved here. We're live on air, guys. I can't do this and you can't be seen. So that decision must be taken here on the air. Big Zulu, we're live on air, so unfortunately I can't involve everybody else. The gentlemen here need to tell us, we want to show the game. We said we want to support this thing that you're doing. As the SABC and SABC Sport, we put resources and money behind this to show a game in the off-season. Are you guys then telling me, Ogoti, we have to play a movie like Chan-Li? Ngoba nina decide ukuthi anizodlala umdlalo akho reasoning enzofika kuyona.
Now we have taken a decision ukuthi ama team wonke adlala ashama penalty, so that is over balance. Only 3 people from the team.
And then what then happens there? 3 teams take penalties. What? So ebedlale nenye ithathe, so because umaska
with hip hop. They are going penalties with people hip hop. They say so.
Is this something you guys are all agreeing on?
We're just trying, guys. Dumi, udliwe, cela usiphumela.
Right, I don't want it to get like this, and with you seeing this. So let's take an ad break. We'll talk when we come back. Take a quick break. Let's take a break.